Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule auto power on, off on your Android phone so you can automate when your device turns on and off. We'll walk through the simple settings step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app by tapping its icon on your phone. This is where you control all your device's features and preferences. Step 2. Tap on Battery, then select Additional Features. This section often includes options to manage power and device behavior. Step 3. Tap on Advanced Features or Scheduled Power on or off, which is common on Samsung devices. This menu lets you set automatic power schedules. Step 4. Toggle on the power on and power off options. Then set the times you want your phone to turn off and on automatically. You can also configure how often the schedule repeats, such as daily or on weekdays. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy Android tips.